What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I repotted my plants from this to this. If you guys are really interested in seeing that, then please just keep on watching. So the items that you guys are going to need for this is going to be a little scooper to scoop out your dirt, and you're gonna need some gloves, that's if you don't want to get your hands dirty. And of course, you're gonna need a pot and a plate. If you're gonna use a ceramic pot, there's a hole at the bottom, so a plate is definitely necessary. Also, you're gonna need some trimmers just to get rid of some of those dead plants. And of course, you're gonna need the potting mix. So here I am just putting on my gloves because I refuse to get my mani messed up. And the first plant that we are going to repot is going to be my palm tree. So if you guys look here over to the left, I'm using the app Picture This, and it basically gives you all types of descriptions that you need to know, how-tos to take care of your plant. So if you're looking over here, I'm basically just taking out the old pot that I got when I purchased this plant, and I'm giving the dirt a squeeze, and all it is going to do is loosen up the dirt that was originally attached to the plant. Make sure you don't squeeze too hard so that the roots won't basically detach from the plant. You want to make sure that your roots are still intact with your plant so that it's still able to grow. So here is just a closer look of what the roots is looking like of the plant. As you can see, there's still some dirt in there, which is perfectly fine. I took the liberty of separating some of the roots just to make sure that my plant has enough room to grow inside of the new pot that I'm putting it in. Now, trust me, would be so much easier if I was sitting down, I had a yard to do this, but here I'm just putting in a couple scoops of dirt at the bottom of the pot before I put the plant in there. So it's basically just giving basically a stepping ground for between the roots and the dirt and the bottom of the pot. I'm packing it in a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and packed in there and I have enough dirt. And then after I pack it in there with the bottom portion of the soil, I then put the plant inside, and then I just add some more soil all the way up, maybe about an inch to an inch and a half of soil from the top of the pot, and I just keep on stacking. Once I have enough soil that I like for my plant, I just pack it on in there, and that's really it, guys. That's the gist of repotting your plants. It's super easy, super simple to do. It is kind of time consuming, but if you're a plant lover like me, it's really rewarding once you see your little babies grow. And this is what the finished product looks like. I hope you guys really like my new baby and its new pot. I'm just gonna get some trimmers just to trim off all of the little brown and kind of wilted leaves on there. I really don't want any sickness going on with the plant. Now, this is a plant that's straight from the nursery. I probably had the plant for about a week before I repotted it, and I'm hopefully can see some major growth with this. This plant is basically supposed to turn into a tree-like plant, indoor house plant, so I'm so excited for that. To show you guys that I am going to repot. It's the same concept as the one before, And I actually got this one as well from the nursery. So yeah, same concept, same repotting process. So just continue watching. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.